In this video, I will share with you Top 5 Best Electric Circular Saw Review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. NEWONE 165mm Electric Circular Saw. The NEWONE Electric Circular Saw offers versatility and precision for woodworking projects. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this saw features a 165mm blade and a brushless motor for efficient cutting. Its multi-angle cutting capability enhances flexibility for various woodworking tasks. Engineered for accuracy and durability, it enables craftsmen to achieve detailed cuts with ease. Tailored for mobility and performance, this cordless saw is an essential addition to the toolkit of professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable and adaptable woodworking solutions. Number 2. 6-inch Brushless Cordless Electric Circular Saw. The 6-inch brushless cordless electric circular saw is tailored for Makita 18V batteries, offering versatility without compromising power. This saw boasts an adjustable angle for precise woodworking cuts. Its brushless design ensures efficiency and longevity. Designed specifically without a battery, it optimizes compatibility for existing Makita 18V setups. Perfect for intricate woodworking tasks, this cordless saw combines mobility with accuracy, empowering craftsmen and DIYers to achieve detailed cuts in projects without the constraints of cords or battery limitations. Number 3. Adjustable Cordless Electric Circular Saw. The 18V rechargeable battery-powered circular saw features a 185mm 7-inch blade, ideal for wood and stone cutting. Powered by a rechargeable 18V battery, it offers cordless convenience for versatile applications. The adjustable design allows precision in various cutting tasks. Equipped with an external rotor motor, this saw ensures efficient power delivery and durability. Perfect for on-the-go projects, its portable nature and reliable performance make it a valuable addition for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficient wood and stone cutting solutions. Number 4. Brushless Cordless Electric Circular Saw. The brushless cordless electric circular saw by NEWONE offers exceptional woodworking precision. Designed for Makita 18V batteries, this saw features a 165mm blade for precise cutting. Its brushless motor ensures efficient power and longevity. Adjustable cutting angles enhance versatility, allowing diverse woodworking applications. With a focus on user convenience and performance, this cordless saw delivers reliability for various cutting needs. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it's a versatile addition to any toolkit, providing mobility and accuracy for woodworking projects. Number 5. Bosch GKS 185LA Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch Professional GKS 185LA Cordless Circular Saw is a high-performance woodworking tool. Operating at 18V, this portable electric saw offers precision and power for versatile cutting tasks. Its 165mm blade, spinning at 5,000 RPM, ensures efficient and smooth cuts through wood materials. As a bare tool, it allows compatibility with Bosch Professional 18V batteries for cordless operation. With its ergonomic design and reliable performance, this circular saw caters to woodworking enthusiasts and professionals seeking mobility and accuracy in their projects. Thanks for watching.